Welcome back to another video by ALTBAE. I want to cut to the chase. My last video was quite long-winded, and my first take was over 10 minutes, so I'll try not to keep it too long. Now, the token I want to discuss today, at the time of recording, if it does go back to the all-time high, it will be approximately a 20x gain. So if that's of interest to you, please leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Now, before I continue, I must let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest your money. The project I want to discuss today is CEEK, CEEK Smart VR. The ticker is CEEK, Charlie Echo Echo Kilo. So the best time to buy it was years ago. So unfortunately we can't go back in time. But it's really at a low price now. It's at 4 Great British pence per CEEK token. That's approximately 5 US cents. Yeah, so the performance, as you can see over the year, is almost a 60% decrease, and it's all been red over the year: 30 days, 14 days, 7 days, and today, and the last hour. So it's a downward trend, and it's a 95% decrease from the all-time high. So when the projects that are this cheap, is worthwhile to decide if you want to invest in this particular project or not, because this could be one that could just return to all-time high, especially as we have this kind of buzz again with virtual reality. We've had Apple with their new headset, which is like £3,500 or something like that. Um, so let's get more information on the website here. So CEEK is a DeFi for creators, and they want to connect creators directly to their fans in the metaverse, and primarily it focuses on like a lot of music and events on it, and they want to also have NFTs within the blockchain, so be able to um, own digital assets as physical assets, as it mentions on here later on. So they're partners with VR headset bundles. So the patented VR headset bundles are currently sold at major retailers, and it says nationwide. So I think this is very much US centric, United States, especially as I did read with their partnership with Draper University, which is a university in California, which has kind of focused on massive open online courses, MOOCs, and so CEEK is the future of music streaming and publishing. At least it hopes to be. So it enables content creators to monetize their work using CEEK's patent award-winning virtual event streaming platforms to reach audiences all over the world. And they want to unlock new revenue streams for music artists and creators. So that's another way to reach and monetize their fan base. You can't really get as close as you can with a blooming goggle on your face or over your eyes. And also, there's the gripe with musicians who you might have known there was a protest, I think, a few months back on how little uh, content creators get paid in the streams. I think it was on the Eurovision where they had like the number 0.0003. I think that was like per listen or per stream. I think that's how much they get compensated. Um, yeah, so this could be an alternative. It also seeks, if you pardon the pun, seeks to address the issue like of having, uh, let's say for example, a concert gets cancelled, and then maybe this could be like a stopgap, or it could be just like as a standalone show. It could even be something which could be more or less. It could broaden it out to a wide audience, or it could make it specific to like to select people who own CEEK tokens, where it will become like more of an intimate gathering. Is only going to be for those people, so it'll be quite exclusive. Um, yeah, so let's just go more onto this. So on the NFT marketplace, it enables creation and trade of blockchain-based digital assets, collectibles, memberships, and ownerships. Gives the rights to owners and publishers to track the digital assets. So I'll keep it brief. Here is a video of the CEEK city. I suggest you look at that in your own time. There's all different zones. This is the app. This is the white paper. I've kind of took some of what I said did take inspiration from reading this. I mean, there's 59 pages here or so I'm not going to go through all of it, but I did read the abstract as well. So they got partnerships with different well-known companies, and also they have partnerships with major celebrities, and they call like fans. They call them seekers. Here, I think there was. Let me just scroll down a little bit more. So it allows celebrities to mint their own coins. So that removes physical barriers for millions of people to attend the live shows. Uh, Seekers, so like people who hold CEEK tokens, be able to the will be able to earn so seekers will be able to earn CEEK tokens by creating digital merchandise. Oh, okay. Oh, so that's for the stuff. There's custom skins, gift cards, virtual cards, gaming. Okay, and then that would be on sale at the VR marketplace. So this is where the fans would buy. Okay, I understand. And they'll also be able to create a seeker demand list. So if you want major artists to perform live VR shows in CEEK City on there, and it's just not limited to music and kind of more fun events. It could also be educational as well. So it says yoga, medical training. So I guess with yoga, that was if you want to do yoga or you're new to it, you want to try it out, but you don't want to go out and feel a bit embarrassed, or you don't want to spend a fortune on Lululemon joggers. Perhaps you could do yoga in virtual reality, medical training, sports training, taking language classes. That brilliant. Learning a language um, on there. So yeah, there's quite a lot to unpack here. If you did find this to be useful, leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll just bring up the chart on here again. So circulating supply, so 830 million market cap here. So there's a lot of potential to grow, and there's 134,816 on the watch list. Um, so it has been trading. So this could be something that could be near. I think it could be near the bottom, and again, not for financial advice. It could be something where it could start to pick up in the latter part of 2023 and beyond. So yeah, leave a like on the video, and I will catch you in the next one.